time wearing a MAGA hat fishing. Making America great again, one walleye at a time. From Ashtabula, Ohio.
He's huge.
Well, it's that time of year, getting the boat out for the first walleye trip, and our trolling engine is not starting. The Richard is trying to check the spark plugs right now. All right, we're getting everything ready. I asked the Richard twice yesterday whether or not he had the ramp pass. Yep, he's got it. Nope, he doesn't. Sitting on the refrigerator at home.
Have we been out with the new stuff?
No, we haven't been, and this is the first time we're trying our fish finder, so we're gonna give that a shot today. First walleye of the year. Short! Another little one. Ow, and a hook in my finger, you jerk.
Feels decent.
Short. I'll net it just in case. Oh, that's a keeper.
15 is the number.
First keeper of the year, baby. 15, well, 15 and a half inches. I got a fish on the outside board too. Holy cow, we're just getting hammered right now. Keeper too. Got him without a net, baby. Barely, just barely hooked. All right, so today we are on fire with the fish. We've got what we're running is we've got on the outside we've got dipsy divers that are on a 3 setting, and we're 85 back on this right hand side is just absolutely crushing it. I think we've caught like 7 or 8 fish on it. And then on we've got inline planer boards for the other poles, and the nice thing is we got 3-ounce weights, inline weights on them, running worm harnesses and spoons, and they run just about the same depth and leads as a 3 setting dipsy. So we're running between 65 and 85 on the inline boards to try to keep pace with the dipsies. And we can't keep 6 poles in the water to save our lives. This is a decent fish.
I bet it's
Yeah, get that net.
Alright, first net job. Well, kind of. You got one.
They have. I got the outside board to put the fish on one of these things. There's still a fish on mine. Right there. Well, that was unconventional, but we got it.
Empty netter.
Bring that all the way in.
At what?
Look at that. We're 20, 25 feet.
Yep.
Keeper!
Well, the bite was good. 5 keepers, 12 throwbacks, 14 lines, tangled together.
Well, while we were tangled in the prop, we caught a fish drifting, and it's a keeper. That's one way to do it. All right, we're back to fishing finally. We're down 1 rod. Ended up breaking a rod tip off after we got everything untangled, which was just annoying. Delivered right to you. Keeper.
Perfect net job.
I delivered it right to him.
Oh, that's a good sized fish. Look at that. Is that what it is? Walleye?
Walleye, but I don't think it keeps.
Toad?
This one is a toad! Woohoo, yeah, now that feels more like a good sized walleye.
How much time?
50 feet, and it's gonna take me a little while to reel him in. Ah! Oh yeah, look at that freaking hog! Look at the size of that stinking thing!
Cover for the engine. And then on it.
Holy crap! That's a big fish. Look at that beast. Absolute beast right there.